Today, you're going to learn how to do progress, billing in QuickBooks Online. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full process so you can bill your customers in stages with confidence and accuracy. Progress billing is especially helpful when you're working on long-term projects and need to invoice for partial work completed along the way. Once you understand how it works in QuickBooks Online, you'll find it makes your billing more flexible, organized, and easier to manage. To start, sign in to QuickBooks Online. Once you're on your dashboard, head to the Settings icon and open Account and Settings. From there, go to the Sales tab. You'll see a section called Progress Invoicing. Turn this option on so you can create invoices based on percentages, quantities, or custom amounts. Once you've enabled it, click Save, then Done. Now you're ready to create your estimate. Select the Create button and choose Estimate from the customer options. Fill in the customer details, then add the products or services you're providing, along with the quantities and amounts. When everything looks correct, click Save to store the estimate. After saving, you can begin progress billing. At the bottom of the estimate page, select Convert to Invoice. QuickBooks will give you 3 billing options. You can invoice a percentage of the total, a custom amount for each line, or a specific quantity delivered so far. Choose the method that fits your project, then enter the percentage or amounts you want to bill in this stage. Take a moment to review all the details to make sure the invoice reflects the right portion of work completed. Once everything looks accurate, click Create an Invoice. QuickBooks will generate the progress invoice for you. When you're ready, select Review and Send, and then send the invoice to your customer. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.